Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 12, Invention of People. So yes, my dear teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 4, we will read about reading instructions and directions. We will learn that what are instructions and directions. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about how we will get lead through team members. Different that if someone is leading us, if someone is giving us instructions, so how we can follow these instructions. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to get more knowledge about instructions and directions. So our today's learning outcomes are: use appropriate expressions in conversation to give and respond to simple instructions and directions. Relate their feelings and experiences to what is read. Okay, so these are our SLOs, my dear students, and we are going to cover up these today. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Araf, verse number 199, forgive others for their mistakes. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us, sharing us the instruction of Almighty Allah, that Allah Almighty have given to us, that how we have to behave if someone has done mistake. If someone is doing wrong and he has done wrong, so what we will do? We have to forgive others. So we have to forgive them. Okay, so we must have capacity and that we should forgive others on their mistakes, because when we are getting mistakes, when we are on mistakes, my dear students, so also we want that someone should forgive us. So same like that is same situation is with other people. Okay, so Allah Almighty is giving us direction and instruction. So today we are going to learn about this. So pre-reading question is there. What are instructions? Already we have learned that, my dear students. Yes, my dear teacher, pause the video and get answer from your students and then come back. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope now you have responded nicely that what are instructions. So let's see what are instructions. An instruction is the act of educating, giving the steps that must be followed are an order. So yes, my dear students, what are instruction? Instructions are rules. Okay, there are few rules that we are going to educate people, that how they have to perform that thing. If they are doing something, so how they have to do. So such type of sentences when we are guiding them, so this guideline is called instruction. And we also tell them steps, that first they have to do that, and in this way these all steps are, and it can be an order also, because when teacher is giving us instruction, my dear students, so this is an order. Definitely we have to obey, we have to follow. And when our parents are giving us instructions, directions, so it's an order and we have to do. In Islam also, whenever Allah Almighty is instructing us about any matter, that how we have to behave in our society and in our social life, so definitely we have to follow. Okay, so such type of all rules, orders, steps are called instructions. Now have you got that? What are instructions? Good. So let's see next. Are detailed information about how something should be done are operated. So yes, so instructions are a detailed information, okay, that how you have to do that thing, and you have to operate anything, so how, in which process and step by step how you will do it. So this all procedure is called instruction. Okay, is it clear? Suppose you are in class, my dear students, you're sitting in class, so teacher is giving instructions. Suppose you have to write a test. Simple example is there, you are writing test, so teacher gives you instructions that first of all you have to write date, day, your class test, and question number. So when teacher is giving these all instructions, so you are following. So such type of sentences that can be as an order also. So we have to follow them. And when we follow instructions, so what is the useful and benefit of these instructions? So we work our duty and our job properly. Okay, now have you got? See there, next, classroom rules. I have shown there classroom rules that teacher have made for you. Okay, 10 rules like come prepared with supplies, follow directions quickly. Number 3 is there, focus and sit neatly. Raise your hand to speak, listen to others, be kind to others and yourself. Ask for permission to borrow things. Put things at the right place. So these are our instructions, my dear, and these are related to you, that how you have to behave in your class. These instructions are prepared by your teacher and you have to follow. So such type of things are called instructions and directions. Good. Have you got? So see there, next is there. Suppose, okay, at home you are and you want to make a cup of tea, but you don't know that how to make. So yes, see there, and your mom gave you instructions. So how she gave, and first what we do? Yes, first we have pour over boiling water in a cup. This instruction, first instruction was that mom gave. Next, what we have to do? Give the tea bag a gentle squeeze with a teaspoon before removing it. So we will keep tea bag into the cup. And the next will be add some fresh milk and sugar, and yes, your tea is ready to serve. These instructions, how we got? Because we didn't know that how to make a cup of tea. So our mother gave. And when we follow these instructions, so what was? Yes, we have prepared a cup of tea. So this is the way, my dear students, that when someone is giving us instructions, directions, so if we will follow, if we respond to these nicely in a proper way, so things are being done quickly, okay, and in a perfect way. Have you got? Good job. So let's to move an activity. Yes, what you have to do, my dear teachers, get students in pair. We have to work in pair. First, listen to your teacher attentively. Then practice the dialogue given in book on page number 114 with your friends. So yes, my dear students, there is a dialogue on your book given on page number 114. So teacher will instruct you. Okay, first of all, listen him or her attentively. After that, perform this activity in your class and enjoy that how we can follow instructions. Okay, pause the video, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have done it nicely and you have enjoyed, because there was a nice dialogue and a nice instructions there was in your book. Good job. See there, when we read about an invention that it was created, what's its effects on life, so we feel so excited and interested. We want to read more about it. Through these reading strategies, we also enhance our knowledge about an invention, not just an invention, my dear students. It can be about anything. Okay, so this passage is telling us about reading strategies. Sometimes when we are reading a story, simply when we are reading a story, so we are so conscious that, oh, what will happen next, and especially when we are watching a thing. Suppose this is the remote, and when we are reading that how it is created and how it is prepared, when we are reading its history, so what we feel, so such feelings that we are so curious that we want to learn more, we want to read more about it, that what is the background of this remote. Okay, in this way, not just invention, I'm not talking about just, I'm not bounding you that just about it, about anything else, okay, that is created in an ancient time and now you are going to read about it. So what you feel, definitely our feelings, and we are so excited that wow, these examples and how they have effect on our life nowadays. Okay, so such type of readings inspires us, so you must have habit to read such things. Okay, make habit, my dear students. So yes, open your book on page number 100 and 115. So telephone facts. Okay, so this activity is for you, my dear students, and this is an individual activity. Sit in your class and read whole procedure silently and try to get what are the facts about telephone, what's its history. Okay, so I am waiting for you, my dear teacher. Pause the video and get this activity in your class. Good job. I hope now you have got that the history of telephone and the journey of telephone, how it began and how it developed day by day. Good. So yes, what's homework? Write 10 facts about modern inventions in your notebooks. So modern inventions, what are modern inventions that we are using nowadays and they have made our life so easy. So these are modern inventions. You have to write 10 facts about them. Okay, this is your homework. So this is worksheet, my dear students, and my dear teacher. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form and get work properly there. You can see that there is the history of washing machine. Okay, how you can use it and how we can avail it. You should discuss with your teacher, with your students, my dear teacher. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about instructions and directions. We learned how we can improve ourselves through instructions. We learned to read about facts about different inventions. Okay, and in this way we have covered up our syllabus. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to give and respond to simple instructions and directions. Relate their feelings and experiences to what is read. So yes, great job that we have done it. Okay, and in a nice way, alhamdulillah. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture, my dear students, and also you got that how we can follow instructions. And I hope so that you will follow instructions of your teacher and of your parents. Okay, good job. So see you soon, inshallah, tomorrow with a new lecture. Till that, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.